birthday, Christopher.
Happy birthday.
I hope you have an awesome, awesome birthday. I'm excited that you are now a teenager, and I hope you enjoy this birthday party because it's the last one on us.
God bless you, son. Happy birthday, and many more.
Hello, I want to wish my oldest grandson, William Christopher Scott, a happy 13th birthday. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a blessed day. Of course, your grandfather in heaven is also wishing you a happy birthday. You're a teenager now. I expect you to do well, and you have a wonderful, fantastic 13th birthday. Love from Grandma and your heavenly grandfather. Love you.
Happy birthday, CJ. Happy birthday, CJ. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, CJ. Enjoy. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Hey, happy 13th birthday, Chris. Auntie love you, and I hope you enjoy your day and enjoy your party. And I will talk to you later. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Hey, Christopher, this your Uncle P. I'm at work right now, but I want to wish you a happy 13th birthday, man. You're getting old on me. I remember when you was a little baby boy. Now you 13, man. You're getting bigger and smarter and better every day. Anyway, I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I Uncle love you, man. All the way from Texas, baby.
Happy birthday, nephew, from your Uncle Mike. I just want to say happy birthday and many, many more. And Uncle Mike, hope to see you real soon. Happy birthday, nephew.
Happy birthday, Christopher. It's your Auntie Kay. I'm just wishing you a lovely happy birthday. I hope that you get all the gifts and all the love and all the blessing that you deserve on your day. You're getting so big, but I'm super, super proud of you and all that you have done. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Christopher. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Auntie Lisa love you. Wishing you many, many, many more.
Gamer versus Gamer. Video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.